Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to be learning the CorelDRAW Graphic Design Elements. Okay, so let's start. My name is Webudin Okunu. I'm a graphic designer and I'm the CEO of MB Creative Media. So today, let's get started. Graphic design is the art and practice of creating visual content to communicate a message or idea. Okay, so when you use visual elements such as colors, images, and so many other elements which you know later, when you use them to communicate a message, okay, without actually using your voice, these are visual things you can see, different elements. When you put them together to communicate, then this is the art of graphic design. And another thing here is the CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW is a popular vector graphic editor software that is widely used for graphic design. Okay, so here is it here. Okay, this is your CorelDRAW, and this is a software that is widely used for graphic design. Then, so some of the elements that you'll be using to design, there are many of them, but for this tutorial, I'm just going to base on the important four, very important four of them that you need to take note because of the method you are going to be using. So let's go into them. One is color. Okay, let me make this bold and make it bigger. Yeah, so number one is color. On every graphic design, any design that you see, it has different colors. You know, we have different colors, okay, and we have color schemes. But where I'm going here in this aspect is that for every niche or for every kind of business that you create your design for, there are going to be some colors that are peculiar to that particular industry or that particular niche. For example, if you go to the health sector now, if you want to design a flyer for health personnel, maybe for an hospital or for a kind of health personnel, a pharmacy, and so on like that for health, you see that in most cases you always find blue and green dominating their color in the design. Okay, so let's take a look at that. Let me just open a new browser here and let me type health flyer design, and let's see what we are talking about. So let me expand this by clicking on images. So you can see, look at these flyers. Okay, this one here is illuminated with blue, and you can see some are using green, some are using mixture of both green and blue. So you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, and in some cases they will even use orange, as you can see here. Okay, but majorly they usually go for blue, okay, and green. So this is what I mean by color. And if you go for construction company flyer, you are going to see that you are going to have yellow, okay, and sometimes you might have red. So the yellow is usually used for visual elements for construction flyers. So this is what I mean by color here. Apart from knowing that there is color blue, color red, how do you use them? So you use them based on the kind of industry that you are making your designs for. So that is the color. So let's go to the next element, which is the typography and font. Okay, let me highlight that. So the typography and font. So this is the text, okay, the design of the text that is used for in your design. Okay, you make sure that you use designs, the text fonts that are readable, that are legible. They can actually see what you are writing. Okay, because we have different fonts, some stylistic fonts, so you don't really use those ones that will not be able to communicate. Even if you are using the beautiful ones, you make sure that it is readable. Okay, so like the other example I showed to you now, let us pick on this now. For instance, you can see this particular construction company design. You can see you can see the color here. They use the orange, yellow. You can see the yellow, the gold yellow and black in combination with some yellow sticks there. So you can see that in there. So look at the font. The font is very clear to read, and they are very simple. Okay, that is very important. Me in particular, I like using simple to read fonts and typography. Okay, so you can use your color to create your stress on each word. Okay, so another thing here is the images. You can see on that example, you can see the image that is illustrating the kind of industry or the kind of niche that you are designing. If you look at this flyer now, for example, they are going to know that this has to do with construction. Okay, and if they look at the one for the health, like we did the other time, go for the health, you can see when you see a doctor, you can see, you know that this has to do with health. This is image playing its role in the design. All right, this is image playing its role in the design. So another graphic elements that we are talking about has to do with some icons. Okay, for health, you are going to use the icon. There are different icons. Let me pick an example where the icon is used especially for the logo aspect. You will see some that has some kind good. This is what I'm talking about some graphic elements. Look at this. This indicates a kind of movement of the pulse. Okay, when you look at this now, you see the pulse of the person, that this person is still breathing, this person is still alive. So these are some visual elements that has to do with health. Let me expand it. You can see this. Look at this capsule element. Look at this heart element that indicates blood. Look at the jotter which doctors use in jotting down some informations about the patient. Look at the elements. Look at the graphic elements we are talking about here. They play a very vital role in your design. So let's go ahead and talking about layout and the different displays, okay, of the different elements, okay, in terms of how they are arranged and how they are put together. So for example, this is a particular layout. These are different layouts. You can see them. So these are the elements. The 4 elements we are going to be using in our tutorial. Others too will come to play their role when we are going through our designs, but these are the major 4 that I want you to always jot them down whenever you are designing. It's going to guide you through your design process. So thank you very much for listening to me this far. So in this video we have talked about the graphic design, the definition as a virtual presentation or virtual communication of idea, and we also talked about the tool we are going to be using, which is the CorelDRAW editing software. Okay, and in this video we have basically focused on the elements, the 4 elements that we're going to be using in our tutorial for this training. And in the next video we are going to go into the CorelDRAW graphic editor software, where you are going to be learning how to really design with different examples and using the different tools that we have in the CorelDRAW software to design. Okay, so thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you get notified when we drop important videos and very beneficial videos like this for you. So when you click on the subscribe button, you are going to be notified whenever we drop any other important video like this. Okay, and leave your comments. Whatever I've not mentioned in this video, you can leave it in the comment here so that we can share ideas together. Okay, and make sure you give this video a like, and click on the like there. Okay, I'll appreciate that a lot. So thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.